5 to 10 minutes.
Well, I assume you want me to like make some sense during that time because I can do a lot in 5 to 10 minutes. What is a good case to use?
Anything funny that we say in here might end up in the video.
I will be sure not to say anything funny. Oh, simple case, definitely not.
Probably not where Leanna Dimslayer.
Oh no, please. I would be so up for that. Spreadsheet is a nightmare. Classic. Why is my name manager not popping up?
You've kicked me out. I
Uh,
can't see it.
I what? Oh. Oh, Parsec is probably taking over some shortcut. Ah, well,
Ah,
better not attempt to launch the name manager. Ship of the World might actually be a good lambdaing one. A treasure hunt. Ooh.
that was a great case.
I can't look at Volcano Island just yet. At least not when you don't have the t-shirt. Did I kick you out
Yeah,
again?
yeah, I'm gone.
Okay, well, now we know that I should not attempt to open the name manager by keyboard shortcut. Okay. Census. Some parts of that I think are arrowy, but not all of it.
I
Check
think
performances.
Klingsman's
Forward.
actually doing an arrow one.
Okay, no, that's fine. Let's pivot. Ooh, or
So,
Iron Man. Perfect date, 30-minute mystery. How the hell do you find the name manager without a keyboard shortcut? Maybe we do something with Mortal Wombat. Hum, 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 hum. Block duck. That's block jump duck. That's duck. Block jump duck counter. Block jump duck counter.
excellent.
Okay.